Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Dodge Ram. This came out of a 2020 Dodge Ram Kifo battery. The battery you will need is a CR2450 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so first we have to take the emergency key by pressing this button right here and it comes out. Now, as you can see, I want to take the cover off, okay? So I take a big flathead, and I just insert it and I pry up a little bit, okay, not from the middle, from the side right here and from the other side right here, and up. No need to apply a lot of pressure, it's all good, okay? Let me show you again. Right here and up, gently and up, one, and then you can take the cover off. Now we will have to take the battery out. This takes, as I mentioned, CR2450. To take the battery out, I'll use a small flathead. I pull the battery, and then in this gap right here, I just insert the flathead and very gently pull it out. Okay? Easy. Let me show you again. This is the way it is. We just pull the battery down with our thumb, and with the flathead we take the battery out. Now this is a good battery. I will use it again to put it back in. First this side down and we press. Okay, once again, this side down and we press. Now I take the cover, make sure that everything is okay, put it back, the emergency key, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.